Hi, this is John from MCLAUD. We're here in our New Jersey, and we have one customer that requested to be delivered his printer today. This is like a life and death delivery. We don't have this in California. Oh my gosh. And so look at this, guys. This is New York. So we have a delivery here at Brooklyn, New York. And yeah, this is the place where you deliver. OMG. But we're committed, you know. As MCLAUD, we're committed despite the weather. Keep on time as much as possible. We really work hard to keep the business going for our customers. So here we go, guys. So this delivery is in Brooklyn, New York. And this is a scheduled delivery, which we do not know that snow will fall. So there we go. Despite of the snowstorm, we are still here to deliver. So for those other people who got the package delayed, I'm really sorry, but COVID and snow comes together. This is a big situation. But anyway, guys, we are here to support. So we are like 1 mile away from the client. This is New York. No, because I'm just stay here for just a week, just to support the customer. And we open a warehouse, a support center. It's not really a warehouse, it's a support center for our client here in the East Coast. And yeah, guys, so I'm trapped now. I can't go back to California until this snowstorm is over. So alright, so we will give you another video of the next customer that we will be having here in New York. This is the second delivery in New York. And so, guys, we have another program. I think we will call it like a referral program. So if those who has the printers from MCLAUD and they're happy with the printers that we got from our services, we will give you like a referral program. So you refer a customer, we'll give you but you must be a customer first, okay? So once you've got a customer, we could give you like a referral program for the printers. So let's start with a 24-inch. So every 24-inch right now, once you become our customer, you will get a $500 referral program, referral fee, by just, you know, sharing how good our services, how good the printers really works for you, really helps your business. And so yeah, so we will give you a referral program for the 24-inch. This is a new printers, and so for those who have the 24-inch printers already, so if you refer a customer to us, just inform the chat support that this client is called you or inform you, and you encourage him or her to buy the printers, so that we will take note that this customers belongs to you, so that when he purchase, then you will receive your referral program. I hope that would help you further with your business. And you know, we have to build a community for 24-inch because this is really the right printer for DTF production. So you can print here from small, from 8.5, from the smallest one to 8.5, 12 inch, 13 inch, 17 inch, and of course 24 inch. So guys, oops, oh, my car is not moving. Work for this avail this referral program that we have. Okay, all right guys, we have to, because I'm almost here with my client, have to go. Bye bye.